Hey there, friends. So I wanted to do a short video today to review one of my favorite wigs. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. I'm telling you guys, I love, 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 love this wig. This is my new favorite. It's my new favorite for a few different reasons. One, it feels and I think looks natural on me. It's not super heavy. Even though it has a lot of volume, it's not heavy at all. And it feels freaking fantastic on my head. The reason why it feels so good on my head is because it is a hand-tied wig. So let me take this wig off now that you all have seen it. Let me show you the back. This is the back. I am only 5 feet tall, and so this is how long it is on me. And I think it's a really good length. I like it a lot. And I'm really petite, got a small head, and this is the perfect wig for small heads. So let me take this off so that I can show you what it looks like on the inside and how it adjusts and the ear tabs and all that good stuff. That way you can see a better idea of what type of wig this is. So, as you can tell, I'm not wearing a wig cap underneath it. And the reason I'm able to get away with not wearing a wig cap underneath it is, one, I don't really like wig caps right now, especially as it's starting to get hot outside. I would rather not have double layers on my head because it's hot. So one reason why I'm able to wear this without a wig cap is because it is hand tied. So this is the cap construction, and you can see that the hair is all hand tied. Each little strand is hand tied into this cap. And so it makes it a lot softer, a lot more lightweight, and it's just so much easier to wear. Like, you can see how thin this is. And so the hand-tied wigs are the perfect wigs to wear in the summertime because it's so lightweight that it keeps you from getting overheated, which is a real problem with wig wearers in the summer, or so I've been told. I guess I'm going to find out here real soon. So some other features of this wig is that if you do have hair to attach this to, it's got this little comb, and this comb is in the back, in the bottom down here. And so you can just slide that little comb up to get your wig on nice and snug. And it's also got these little adjustable straps here. And I have these straps adjusted down to the smallest setting because I have a small head and I don't have any hair. And so that makes wigs really difficult to fit on me without them sliding around. Another feature that I want to show you guys is that, so this is what is around your ear right here. Now, on some wigs that you get that are not lace front wigs, the ear tabs, for me personally, they tend to sit like right on top of my ear and kind of pin my ear back, and it really bugs me. With this one, let me put it back on and I will show you what the ears do. Adjust it. So this is adjusted like how I would wear it, give or take a little. So this is what the ears look like for me. It does not go over my ears at all. It fits so nice and comfortable. It's just perfect. So the ears do not bother me at all, which is huge, huge for me. because I have a big problem with my ears and wigs. The two don't mix. And then you add sunglasses and a mask on top of that. Oh, it's all over. So I'll show you a little bit more about this wig. It is super easy to style. I either wear it down like this a lot, or I also wear it kind of just a little bit pulled back with a little clip. So I can just clip it back like that for a different look. And you can also wear it in a low ponytail. So if you are wanting something that you can kind of pull back, where'd it go? You can just kind of put it up into a low ponytail. And boom, there you go. And this is good for like when I'm running out to watch my son play baseball, you know, and I just kind of want it off my neck, but I still want to wear a little something. It's perfect for that. And so this is my new favorite wig. I love it. I love it. And as you can see, I can run my fingers through it because it's all nice and soft. It's a really good wig. I love it. Love it so much. So if you all are interested in this wig or any others that are similar to this, you can visit the link that is below in the description. I am an ambassador for this website, Styles by Soma. So I will get a 10% commission off of anything that you buy. And that goes towards helping my wig addiction, because the addiction is real. Once you start wearing wigs, you're going to be hooked. Oh, there's my cat. So that is my wig review for the day. This is Attentive by Styles by Soma. You all have a wonderful day and stay beautiful and love yourselves. Bye.